Hey guys, happy Thursday. Today in writing, we're going to be working on kind of a part 2 of our how-to book series. Today we worked on a new book, How to Make Chocolate Milk. Yeah, so what I want you guys to do is come closer so I can show you what I did so far. Alright, so I obviously started with my title, How to Make Chocolate Milk. And then I added pictures of the things that you need. You need a cup, you need a spoon, you need chocolate powder, and you need milk. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to label those things first.
And you signed it.
Yep, because it's by Miss Walsh.
Great.
All right, so this is a cup. Nice. Now I'm gonna do spoon, sp. It's a blend.
Oh, there's a blend.
Ooh, Now I'm gonna do milk, ilk. And then chocolate powder. So do you guys remember when we were talking about syllables and each syllable has a vowel?
Yes.
Awesome. So I'm going to do that now. Ch. That's the first one. Chocolate. Ch. Ah. That's the first syllable. K. O. That's the second syllable. L. Et. All right. So I wrote chocolate.
So that's 3 syllables.
Yep. Chocolate.
Nice.
All right. So.
What is step 1?
Okay, come over and I'm going to show you. Hey, bud.
Beast. Stop following me. Stop following me.
Okay, so at the top of your page, you should write step 1 because
Nice.
it's what you're going to do first. All right, remember that word first. Okay, so I'm going to write... First, get a cup, spoon, chocolate powder, and milk.
Ooh, that's a good one.
Yep. So
Yeah.
now I'll write it. First, finger space, get, finger space, a cup, which I'm just going to copy from what I already wrote, comma, spoon, which I'm going to copy from what I already wrote.
Oh, yeah. You don't need to recall.
Yeah, you don't have to rewrite it. I'm going to write chocolate powder. Now I got to sound out powder. P. Ow. D. There we go. And then I need to write and finger space milk, which I'm also going to copy from what I already wrote. All right, then I put a period. So first, get a cup, spoon, chocolate powder, and milk. All right, so let's go to step 2. So step 2, I'm going to use my word then, okay? And my word add. Both of these words are words that you're going to use in how-to books because they're teaching people how to do things step by step. So then add the milk in the cup and add chocolate powder.
Cool. That's a good one.
Yep. Then add the, which is one of our snap words, milk, which I already wrote, in, which is one of our snap words, the cup, and add the chocolate powder, which I'm just going to copy from the page I already wrote.
Real nice.
Yeah. So that's step 2. Then I'm going to go to step 3. And step 3, I'm going to use the word next, because it's what I'm going to do next.
Yep.
So next, stir. And then I'm going to use the word last, because I'm at the end of my how-to book. You drink.
That's the best part.
Yeah. So next, stir. Last, you can, which is one of our snap words, drink. I have to sound that out. Drink it. Period.
Nice.
All right. So the new page that we're going to add today, which is really cool, is a diagram of chocolate milk. So I'm just going to use my diagram as a zoomed in picture that labels all the parts of my final product, which is the chocolate milk that I made. So I'm going to write chocolate milk. That's what that is. I'm going to label the cup. And then I'm going to turn it sideways. And I'm going to label spoon. So that when people are reading my book, they know what it should look like when they're finished. Okay?
Very smart.
All right. So, after you have all of your pages finished, this is going to be the tricky part. This is when you give your book to somebody else and see if they can follow your steps and see if you need to add anything in or change what you wrote to make it more clear for the person to understand. All right, so we're going to do that right now. Are you ready, Mr. Lucien?
I'm ready.
Okay, let's switch.
All right, I am thirsty. If only I had some chocolate milk right now. Thank goodness I have a how-to book on making chocolate milk. So what am I going to need? I'm going to need a cup. Oh, I know where our cups are. Carefully getting a cup. Spoon. All right. I'll get a spoon. Then we have spoons. There's a spoon. It just says spoon. Milk.
Wait.
What happened?
We don't want to get that spoon. That's for salads.
Oh, is it too big?
It's too
That'd
big.
be a lot of chocolate.
Yeah. We need to get a tablespoon.
Tablespoon?
Uh-huh.
Oh my gosh, that's just what I have right here.
Oh my gosh, let's change it on the front.
Okay, I'll help you.
Okay. Oh, perfect.
Tables.
Oh, that makes so much more sense.
I like it. That would have been a lot of chocolate.
That would have been a lot of chocolate.
Milk. 7 different types of milk, but here's one that I know will work just fine.
Uh-huh.
Chocolate. Oh, I found it.
Nice.
Everything's so convenient. Okay. All right.
Okay.
I got a cup. I've got my tablespoon, milk, and chocolate. Step 1. Get my cup. My spoon. I'm going to add tablespoon here.
Good idea. Oh, good.
Chocolate powder and milk. Okay, I have it all. Good. Great. Step 1 is complete.
Yay!
So far, so good. Step 2. Add the milk in the cup. And add the chocolate powder. Add the milk in the cup. And add milk. Okay. All right.
Nice.
Added the milk in the cup. Conveniently, almost exactly what we need. And add the chocolate powder. All right. A lot of chocolate powder.
Wait.
Did we miss something again?
Yeah, we have to tell how many scoops.
That's really, yeah, how many of these?
Yeah, how many tablespoons that we need to add.
I think it's
2. Yeah, let's change that in our writing.
and add the milk in the cup and add 2.
Yeah, cross out the word the, and then underneath, let's put our 2 tablespoons.
Tablespoons.
Yeah, perfect.
Chocolate.
Whew, that was a close one.
1, 2.
Nice.
Really great so far. Step 3. Next, stir. Okay.
Wait, Mr. Lucien. Don't you think they should count how long they stir for?
I think it should be a defined amount of time.
How much?
Like an hour?
No, that's too long.
That's a lot of stirring. 20 seconds?
Okay, let's add that.
Okay.
Let's write that.
My hand's all wet now. Thanks, Beast. He probably tasted the chocolate powder. Next, stir for
4 is one of our snap words. Good.
20
Seconds.
seconds.
Perfect.
Okay.
Oh, that's good. Okay, let's count to 20 while we stir.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Whoa, that looks good.
Looks delicious. And the last thing I can do is I can drink it now.
Okay, go ahead, take a sip.
Okay, I can't wait. Let me put my spoon. I needed more milk. Wow, that is delicious.
Awesome.
That is some homemade, fresh chocolate milk. Hi, I know, did you want a little bit too? Here you go, you can have a little bit.
He can't have chocolate.
No, he can't have chocolate. It's a terrible idea. Well, I think this is pretty complete. Because here's my diagram showing, I've got it all here. Except for the spoon that I put away, but this is very helpful too, to check my work.
Yeah.
Wow.
So, what are we going to do tomorrow?
Tomorrow, social studies, a guided activity that is we're excited about. We're gonna explain to you the difference between past and present, and show you some examples of things that have happened in the past and how they've transformed to be what they are today in the present.
Cool.
It'll be pretty awesome.
All right. Bye, guys.
Bye, friends.